guy.
Hey, my boy pulled up with the Hellcat.
Hey, man, you see what I had to do, man.
You did good and you did smart. You went smart.
My guy, man, I appreciate it, man. So this one is the jailbreak, 1100 horsepower Hellcat. I think cold, man. Y'all see what's going on. We out here with joints back to back to back to back, man. We about to get out here in the wind. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally picked up the Hellcat, man. Not only picked it up, man, we took it on the freaking trailer, took it up to the dealer, and we found out it was only needing a freaking car battery, man. So we got a battery replacement in there. That thing fired up. We took it on the first ride and all that. Literally was a 10-minute ride, but was the funnest 10 minutes like ever, dude. I ain't gonna even hold you, dog. We finally got that thing cleaned up and back in the garage, man. So it's time to go yay today. It's Sunday. I'm about to go pull up on my dog, have him pull that cat out and see what we got going, man. Maybe we can do some horse playing in traffic today, man. We can see. We gonna see what's up. But in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered the More Life giveaway, man, you guys know it's almost that time to shine. We're almost sold out. We just sold out of a few more items on the site. So everything on the site right now is $35, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys don't know what we got up for grabs, man, you guys know I'm giving away my 2022 Ford F350 dually truck paired together first place as well with our 2020 matching CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2021 Chevy Silverado paired together for second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces. Yes, man, the one with the 124 knocking everybody off state to state, man. So not only do you got a bike and a truck for first place, you got a bike and a truck for second place. We got third place, which is our 2018 Road King with all of everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint. And for the first time ever, man, we got fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide Lemon Drop, man. I can't wait to get that thing back in action and all that. But you guys know how we come in. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either one of them joints, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you a hat or a patch. Any hat or patch on the site will gain you entry into the giveaway, man. Meanwhile, it's that time to go up. I can't wait. Look like we might be going live Friday. And not only are we thinking about going live Friday, man, you guys know we're about to hit 100,000 subscribers, man. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, man, hit that subscribe button. It's free and easy to do. Meanwhile, speaking of 100,000 subscribers, man, you guys know when we do hit 100,000 subscribers, we are giving away our 100,000 subscriber Road King right here, man, with all the everything regular oohs and ahs just for supporting your boy, man. So if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a hat or a patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, it's time to go yay, man. We in here with the cat in the garage. We about to go horseplay and do everything we need to do today. So I can't wait. Let's get up in here and slide, gang. Alrighty. Woo! Got that cat out. Got that cat out. Now it's still clean from yesterday. So we're gonna see if we can get some of the automatic start action. Y'all know we got that red key, man. So I can't wait. Got the oohs and the ahs on there. Red key, gang. Y'all see what's going on. But let's see. Woo! Woo! With the oohs and the ahs. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. Oh, what happened? Why it cut off? Y'all know I'm new to the Hellcat stuff. I don't really know, but we're gonna get this thing situated. You know, this thing got some freaking scratches right here. Well, paint chips rather, right there, and then on the bumper. So I can't wait. I'm actually gonna take this thing to the wrap shop probably tomorrow. Hopefully they can get it done for us in the nick of time, man. Can't wait. Hoping everything work out, but in the meantime, we will see. I gotta go put some air in this front tire and all that, but I'm gonna have to move this lamb out the way and get it going, man. Let's hop up in here and start this thing up and see what it's sounding like. I want a little first start on here. Sounding good, man. That thing definitely sounding good. So we're gonna move out that lamb so we can pull that freaking Hellcat out the way. Moving the lamb out the way. The Mary had a little lamb, so we can go get the big kitty, the big kitty, man. So we can go get the big kitty. Let's see what we got. Man, I need to freaking widen this driveway up. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not feeling this dirt, mud. I'm running in every day. Literally, driveway is looking just rough right now, man. Tire a little low. Tire a little low. We might be even able to air it up real quick. Let's see if we can air it up, man. Alrighty, all aired up. Ready to go. Good old Hellcat. Nice little Hellcat. We got a check engine light. We'll have to see what that's on for. Just like that, we got Bay pulled back in the driveway, ready to chill out. Meanwhile, we got that cat over yonder on them daddy-os. On them daddy-os. Man, it's time to slizz. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh man, I can't wait. Let's slide, man. It's time to get on up out of here, gang. Woo, on them things though, that's what I'm talking about. I can't even hold you. Alrighty, just pulled up to my dog house, man. We got that cat out. Ooh, my guy.
My boy pulled up with the Hellcat.
Hey, man, you see what I had to do, man.
How much you? I mean, what's the deal with this? You got a little good deal.
I got a pretty good little deal, man. You know.
That's all that little shit ain't none of it.
Hey, man, you know I'm trying to wrap him up real quick, fast, and in a hurry.
You did good and you did smart. You went smart.
My guy, man, I appreciate it, man.
What the hell you doing? Shit. Like you just bought it.
Just got it like that.
Yeah, so he bought it smart. So that nigga fixed this shit up. That shit.
Oh yeah, we about to go. Yeah.
Crazy.
Number 499 to 501.
Screen, bro. Screen got you.
Yeah, I took it up there yesterday. They was acting like they wasn't trying to touch it.
Right.
Oh man, he was like, yeah, man, we might have to even take it to Dodge, so you might as well take it up there yourself.
Who said that?
Adrian.
What year is it?
20.
Why he said that?
Shit, it wasn't starting. He was like, yeah, I don't know if it's gonna start or not. We don't have what we need to start it. All they needed was a battery. They didn't even touch it. I was like, bro, all you have to do is touch it, bro. I would have gave you a couple bands. Fuck. You could have told me anything. All you had to do was attempt. Fuck. Hey, but it worked out though.
Right.
My boy got them joints out here literally in a row. 3 of them.
What you saying, bro? Oh yeah, we ain't playing, man. The jail blast.
Chop us out.
We was in Orlando. We had all of them in the house, man. We were going crazy. Wait till the video drop.
Nigga, they said a whole bunch of hoes in mustard.
A word?
My God, damn near.
You know, they got trash ones.
That's the ones that TJ probably tagged you in the day.
Carmelita.
This dude got all the Hellcat. So this one is a jailbreak, right? So this one is the jailbreak. This one is dope.
Hey, tell them stop playing, man. They call one a D. You want a day call. Somebody go win these, man. Stop playing.
You giving this away?
Man, why not? They know how I come.
You both of them or just what? Both of them?
On me.
Damn. Okay, bet. So y'all see, I just got the Hellcat, man. If y'all trying to slide in the Hellcat, man, y'all already know my guy giving his away. He got 2 of them.
$25 to take you home.
Come on, 25 of them, man. The best 25 you gonna spend.
25, so therefore, if you don't win, it shouldn't hurt your pockets.
That part.
It's an opportunity. Just remember, if you do win,
right,
that's a $100,000 car.
Come on, man. All it take is support, man. All it take is some support, man, and you guys can be next. You never know what could happen, man. Go ahead and get in while you can. Meanwhile, we about to get up in the streets and stuff, go slide. He just picked up his 1100 horsepower Hellcat Red Eye. Last week when we went to Orlando, you guys know we went sliding out and everything, man. This thing is freaking cold. I'm digging it. I'm digging it, man. I got to get mine wrapped up now. I definitely got to get mine wrapped. Oh, yeah. See, you been going too crazy.
Motorcycle, bro. I was so mad I ain't record that, bro. I wouldn't even, I ain't gonna lie to you, I wasn't expecting it.
Right.
I see baby on
170 on the regular. That's nuts.
Oh, yeah, you be the motorcycle, you had to be going like 170.
That's nuts. That's nuts. I like this one right here. I like these stocks, man. I wish mine's type came with stocks on there. He got the Coreyssg exhaust. Hey, so you put the Coreyssg exhaust on here? You put the Coreyssg exhaust on this one too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this
one
nice.
Actually came in from the guy I bought it from.
Oh, okay. You know, it's clean.
He got a build. This got the built there.
I like this one. It's like a Darth Vader. Telling you, that thing cold, man. Y'all see what's going on? We out here with joints back to back to back to back, man. We about to get out here in the wind and slide, man. My other guy just pulled up with the big lifted truck on them red things. Let's check him out real quick. Love the haters. That's dope. Y'all see it with the oohs and the eyes. With the oohs and the eyes, man. It's a movie. Y'all know what time it is. It's And they actually hitting. You got to get up on that one.
I'm still hitting you.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, that's the one back there. That's the one.
Hey, them things do hurt a little bit.
Just a little bit, huh?
It stopped hurting about right here, though.
Them things are bang, golly.
Got heat on the eye.
Yeesh.
That's why I turned around.
It's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on. We out here, man. You got that yap on you?
Yeah.
That yap on you, man?
You know it.
Hey, bud. Corey said,
He thought I was lacking. Y'all know I had to come through with the Glocker. Big Glock splatter one.
Corey, did you ever find out?
I'm telling you, you know I had to come
Yeah, you
through
got
with
open that first.
the flashbacks.
Corey like, man, I didn't know how to open this, but I got the remote. I'm like, nigga, push the damn.
push the Cadillac symbol, huh?
That shit's crazy, bro.
Yeah, that's the one. And being that I got my own style, man, you guys know this is like the last owner's like put together, man. So you guys know it's time to throw my style on there. I'm thinking about getting some whole new wheels, wrapping everything, man. So I'm trying to see what's good, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Let me know what you guys think about the Hellcat and what color you guys think we should do on the wrap, man. Let me know right now in the comments below. Meanwhile, if you guys did like the video, man, be sure to give your boy a thumbs up before you head up out of here, man. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, man, we are almost at 100,000 subscribers, man. So hit that subscribe button. It's free and easy to do. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys know we are going live with the More Life giveaway here Friday, man. I can't wait. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, everything is $35 live on the site right now. Hats and patches while supplies last. We will be going live Friday with the More Life giveaway, man. I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, man, you guys know we are giving away another bike at 100,000 subscribers, man. So Friday, it looks like we will be going live giving that thing away too, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either one of these bikes, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy any hat or any patch on the site, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, our freaking 100K subscriber giveaway, we'll be giving that away for $1, man. We'll be going live on the sale right now, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go buy you an Everything Regular sticker, and that'll be your entry into the 100K subscriber giveaway bike, man. That thing is gonna be $1, man. So $1 can win you that Harley, man. Head on over there right now and get your entry while you can. Meanwhile, I'm about to get up in here, hit Omar up, and see what we can do with these wheels and stuff like that. Meanwhile, I will catch you guys on the next one. I appreciate you guys tuning in, dog. It's a movie. Peace out.